Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new kind of miner called Ryker. It's a really special kind of miner because you have 7 different ways to earn. Yeah, that's the first one I've ever heard of that offers something like this. Okay, it's a BNB miner. Okay, 7 ways to earn in one investment. Crazy. Okay. Let me give you a short introduction for those of you who don't know how usually such a miner works. Usually you take, for example, your BNB, put them in the contract, and then those BNB give you, on my channel you will find different kind of miners, videos about different kind of miners and whatever. For example, you put your BNB in the contract and then those BNB will give, for example, farmers or milkers or whatever this contract will call what you get for your BNB. This will give you rewards, okay? Daily rewards. So let me show you the 7 interesting features, okay? It's an advanced miner, okay? Upon investment, receive a certain amount of miners, here it's called miners, to work for you indefinitely. Miners income will give you up to 3% of your total investment daily, okay? Daily. Then, guys, we have fixed yield daily income. In addition to the miners, investors will receive 1% of their total investment as fixed daily income. That is withdrawable anytime. That's really a cool feature and really new feature also, yeah? Then we have latest investors income. To encourage new investors every week will receive a fair share of BNB from our latest investor fund. That's really interesting, yeah? Then they also have miner betting. Every investor has a chance to massively increase the miners by joining our toss coin game. Next one, guys, lottery income. Each deposit and compound will give you a free ticket to our lottery. Every 8 hours, a winner will receive additional miners to boost their daily income rate. Then what else do we have? Daily top referrer income. Further increase your miners by being one of the top referrers. Every day, the top 5 referrers will automatically receive additional miners from our referrer pool. And then, guys, one more thing: referrals income. By sharing your referral link to other investors, you will both receive 2.5% of their deposits. Another way of income, guys. Okay, so 7 different ways to make money. In this case, to make BNB. Yeah. As you can see here, there's 3% daily income, 2% compound bonus, referral rewards. Then we have a 12 hours compound timer, yeah? That means you can compound every 12 hours. Then a 4 hours withdrawal cooldown, 48 hours rewards cut off. That means if you don't do anything after 48 hours, your rewards will not grow. So you have to either compound or to withdraw your rewards, okay? 10 times mandatory compound and 80% tax for early withdrawal. This is very good. This means if you don't compound 10 times, then there will be an 80% tax for the withdrawal, okay? So guys, now let me show you. Of course, I will put the link in the description, then you can have a more detailed look into this project. I will also show you, of course, how the miner looks like, okay? Let me show you. Here you can see right now there are already 115 BNB in the contract and it just launched 4 days ago, yeah, 4 days ago. And you can see how it looks. It has some really interesting features. You can set here, for example, auto compound or auto compound after withdrawal. The max auto compound is 50, as you can see here. It's really interesting, so you don't have to go there every 12 hours and compound again. You can, for example, just set it to, let's say 20 times auto compound, zack. You do it auto compound, save settings, and it will auto compound every 12 hours for you, and it will do this 20 times, okay? So this really saves time and you don't always have to put, for example, a notification in your calendar or whatever, okay, compound. Because usually miners or other miners don't have this feature. This is really interesting feature that this miner has, okay? So then you will see here your investment details, total investment, total withdrawn, total compound, and your rewards, for example, and your daily income, yeah? So this is how it looks like. Really interesting project, guys. And as always, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to show you those kind of projects, and maybe they are worth your investment. But always, of course, do your own research before you invest your money in any of those projects. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.